BHS is a different type of business networking group. BHS believes that we are all in our business because of an inner voice. Some might even call it a higher calling. And that if we honor that spirit in each and every one of us, that we all live in a better world. We've been meeting right here at the corner of Alameda and Garrison for the past 30 years, longest running business networking group in the Denver area, and we're known for our incredible speakers. So I'm here on video today inviting you to join our group next Thursday. Go to our website, bhsmilehigh.org, to find out when our next event is and who's speaking next Thursday. Because you don't want to miss out on a delicious breakfast, lots of business networking, and lots of